On May 13th, we attended the exhibition and live demo day of Daimex Baltic, a defense conference and exhibition event held in Lithuania. This was our first time attending this type of event as a YouTube channel, and so we'll be producing a few videos from our experience. Today, Hannah from the team at Saab will explain what an RBS 70 is all about before showing how it works. Let's get started.
So, this is the RBS 70 NG system, which is a missile system that is laser guided. Contains of three parts. It's a stand, which we have down here. We have a sight, and we have the missile, of course. What we're showing here is our training system called the trainer, and it is very, very similar to the real system, but of course a little bit different. The sight is the smart part of the system, which is guiding the missile, and we can steer the missile all the way towards the target. And the targets we are looking for is attack helicopters and fighter jets, mostly. So this is the man-pad configuration. We also have the vehicle integrated one, which is exactly the same system but mounted on a vehicle with 3 missiles. What's important with this is that we steer the missile all the way towards the target, which means if something happens on its way, we can always abort the mission. So man is always in the loop. So whenever I want, I can fire. And I can let the missile go, and then you will see it blows in the air instead. The training system is, as I said before, exactly the same or very similar to the real system, which means we can train a lot to become good operators. The site has an auto-tracking system, so the operator will be helped to guide the missile towards the target. So a man-pad version is carried by 3 persons, 1 person carrying the stand as a backpack, the sight as a backpack, and the missiles, then you have 2 in your hands. So the operator will sit here and do all the work with the left and right handle, looking down on the screen. It's an IR camera inside, so we have as good possibilities to fight targets during night as daytime. So it's a short-range air defense system. We can reach, with the NG system together with a bow light, we can reach 9 kilometers away and 5 kilometers in height. And then we have auto tracking, and we can fire. And then we can just wait.
And so our thanks to Hannah for the explanation and demo. Again, if you missed it at the beginning, the RBS 70 and its updated NG version is a product of Swedish defense giant Saab and is a short-range air defense system currently operated by nearly 20 countries worldwide. This long list includes Sweden, Ukraine, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, the Czech Republic, Finland, Germany, Ireland, Latvia, Lithuania, Norway, Singapore, and Thailand. When used by trained personnel, it has a deployment time of just 45 seconds and a reloading time of less than 5 seconds in its man-pad or man-portable air defense form. What do you think of the system and its capabilities? Let us know by leaving a comment.